Hi, I'm Patrick and welcome to Swazzle Puppet Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how to install one of our professionally made neck tubes, now available at puppetpelts.com. You might ask yourself, what is a neck tube? Well, it's actually one of the most important parts of your puppet. A neck tube, or neck sleeve, allows a puppeteer to easily put on and take off a puppet with little wear. And it allows a puppet builder to take off the head quickly for on-set costume changes. Swazzle's 18-inch neck tubes are made out of a one-way horizontal stretch material that accommodates arms of every size, but won't stretch vertically, making them easy to pull off and on. Plus, they are constructed with no raw fabric edges, which enhances durability and puppeteer comfort. Here are the supplies you'll need: Swazzle's professional neck tube, your own custom-made puppet head, a ring of spandex, scissors, an all-purpose cement, needle, and thread. First, cut a ring of spandex like this. You want enough material so that some of it will be glued to the outside of the puppet, and some of it will be glued around to the inside of the puppet head. Next, glue the ring of spandex in place like this. Next, glue the top of your neck sleeve to the inside of your puppet's head, just like this. You want to position the seam to the back of the puppet's head. Now your neck sleeve is all glued in place, but for extra security, we're going to stitch it as well. This is called a catch stitch. What you do is you grab a little material on the bottom, and you grab a little material on the top, and you stitch away from yourself. Kind of feels like you're sewing backwards. This stitch makes a little X, and it's great because it adds security, but also the stitch will expand with the puppeteer's arm. So there you have it. Your puppet neck sleeve is securely glued and stitched in place. All you gotta do now is take a little fleece and finish your puppet, like this. And you're done. Now you can put on your puppet without touching the face. Just grab the bottom of the neck tube like this. Ta-da! Use a safety pin to secure the neck to the body.
I can move my head independently of my body. Also, because my neck tube is pinned down at my belly, it won't stretch my neck out. Also, my head can come off really easily for quick costume changes. Head come off! Get me out of here!
Remember, go to puppetpelts.com and pick up one of our professionally made neck tubes for your puppet today. And if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the Swazzle Puppet Studio.